Hello, my name is Jeff Gonzales. I'm one of the co-founders of AET Media. Today, I'm going to be doing a demonstration of our automotive injection tool that works with Facebook and Instagram for tier 1, 2, and 3 auto advertising. Our solution is basically a advertising agency in a box. So let's just hop right in. Every month, our team loads up all of the national incentives for all the top selling models for each brand. We do update all of the APR and lease incentives to go along with national incentives given by the OEM. The whole point of our ad injection platform is to give dealerships the ability to have their own sense of identity. Think of this as almost like an Instagram for advertising, as we try to give dealerships not only approved copy and creative, but the ability to customize. So as we get into our customizing tool, you can go in, pick the Ford dealership that's within your group that you want to be advertising for. You can do this for several different dealerships all at once. And then we hop into the actual customization layer of it. As you kind of come into this piece, you're going to see several different options that you can start with. The first and foremost is these boxes around your specific ad that you're creating. Basically, these just move your creative elements around dynamically so that they fit within your specific ad that you're trying to create. We realize that every dealership and every demographic is totally different. If you're in Florida, you do not want to be advertising somebody that's on or in the mountains, obviously. So in this case, we're working with one of our clients, Group Ford. So let's pick a wintry theme since we just left winter, and I'm sure we're going to all miss it here soon. So let's choose this wintry road as our background element to start working with. We're then going to change up the look and feel of any of these jellies here. So let's go with a white to make it pop a little bit more. And let's then start to choose the colors of the dealership. Every dealership usually has their own brand colors. We can go in here and you can type in your specific code, or you can use our palette selector to just basically get the colors that your dealership deals with. We also support many different ad styles like stripes or bubbles. Each of these can be refactored into any of the 8 different layout combinations using the handles around the ad image above. We will be adding in new styles weekly, so do keep an eye out for that. If you are feeling like you have to get this ad out really quick, or you're feeling a little lazy, you can hit the surprise me button. We have over 4.4 billion different ad images that we can currently create. So let's go back to our winter road, and let's obviously drop in our logo here since we don't want to be advertising for somebody else. And we're going to stick with our white jelly there. We want to have this Ford logo in here, and we want to throw a starburst effect in the back. And then let's go back and let's do our gradient. And I like it there. It looks good in the bottom left corner. So boom, you went ahead and created an ad that you could be paying an advertising agency for, but we created it in less than a minute. The next piece to the ad builder is our messaging. All of the messaging will be loaded up by our teams, and it will be compliant to your specific brand and what your brand looks for compliant and co-op purposes. In the future, in kind of a V2 version of this, you will be able to customize your own incentives for both lease and APR. Then you can start to change around all of your headlines, the messaging up here. We will customize just for you. And the bottom will always have your expiration dates so that you know when the offer is actually done. Let's go ahead and throw in a landing page here. And the next piece is our targeting. Now, this is the part that's really kind of a secret sauce, but not really a secret sauce in advertising. AET is partnered with Oracle Data Cloud. And with that, we are able to pipe in all of the Oracle targeting. So what used to be you had to have an advertising agency and a teams of individuals in the background building your ads, we've taken that and actually taken our best audiences that make sense for each model that you're pushing. And it's included with each one of those models as you start looking at the targeting. So in this particular situation, as we're pushing this 2019 Ford Escape APR, we want to start looking at the things that make the most sense for this top funnel ad for this vehicle. So people are in households that are most likely to buy a crossover vehicle in the next 90 days. We definitely want that one on. People that are in market for an auto loan within the next 3 months, maybe we don't want to have that one on, but maybe somewhere down the road, it may make more sense to have this on. So let's go ahead and shut that ad off. And then let's also turn off the people in households that already own Ford vehicles. And let's just run with this audience. But then we're also going to exclude based on credit. So this is all information that's brought over from TransUnion. And basically what we're doing is cutting out our subprime audiences so that we're pre-qualifying our audience before they're even seeing an advertisement. And here's the best part about it. You control your own budget. So if you know that your budget for the month for your Ford dealership is $1,000 and you want to push out 3 different ads, we want to stay within your budget. So let's just say for this particular ad, we're going to put $350 behind it. And boom, this is it. It's super simple for you to create your ad. The rest is on our software. From here, you add it to your cart. And so you can build as many of these as you want for your dealership. But then you can also go into, let's say, a Subaru and start building ads for your Subaru store that is just up the road. You drop it all into your cart. And at the time of checkout, you just pop in here. All of your ads that you've created will live in this area. And you just hit proceed to payment. Once you go to proceed to payment, we're going to package up all the information that we put together for you. You throw in your credit card information. Don't worry. You can't steal this credit card because it's a demo. Pay it out. And just like that, all of that little package that we just put together for you is now being injected directly into your specific ad account for this specific brand. So what does that look like in Facebook? Let's go take a look. Okay, so now we are in the backside of Facebook in our business manager, and we're going to jump into the Groove Ford account. As you can see right here, our ad has successfully injected at all different levels of the advertisement. So what does it look like in Facebook? Boom, there's your ad. Everything that you created with the copy that you picked, the creative that you customized yourself, and with all of your brand logos, all of the Ford logos, everything that you could possibly need for the month. All right, well, that concludes the demo. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you, talk to you about how we might be able to customize a solution for your brand of dealerships. Thank you.